I'm excited to bring to your screens my chicken gizzard kebab recipe. Hello, you are welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are an old member, thank you so much for passing by. You can like this video, subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin with, you want to clean your gizzards very well. I rinsed them first and soaked them in salt vinegar water, and I washed them thoroughly until they were clean. Another step I had to take was to parboil the gizzards just to make sure I get that scent out as much as possible. So I just added some water and then I let it come to a boil. Once it came to a boil, I drained the water off. I'm going to be blending some ginger, garlic, some natural spices, and some thyme with onion. I'm going to be using this to steam my gizzard once I drain the water out of them. In goes my blended ginger, garlic, and onions. I'm going to season this with some chicken seasoning and salt. You can also season yours how you like it. I'm going to cover this and let it cook under medium heat until it's nice and well cooked. If you want it softer, you can add some water and cook it to your desired softness, okay? I wanted mine a bit firm as well, so this is how far I want it to go. I'm going to take it off the heat so that we proceed. I'll be blending some habanero peppers, some onions, and some bell pepper with carrots with a little bit of water, and I'm going to be using this for my pepper sauce. But before that, I'll set that aside and then fry the gizzards first. So into your frying pan, you want to add enough oil that you can use to fry your gizzards. For the frying, I'm going to just let it be in the oil until it begins to brown. I don't want it so dry. If you want it dry, you can fry it until it's nice and dried out. I think it's nicer with the moisture in them, so I kept it this way. If you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe as it helps me to push out more content like this. Thank you so much, and also don't forget to give the video a like. God bless you. So I think this is where I want my gizzards to be, so I'm going to dish them out. You can dish it out onto a paper towel or into a sieve to drain all the excess oil. I will be using the same oil for the pepper sauce because there is flavor in here from frying the gizzards. Just that I will drain off the oil a bit because I don't want my pepper sauce to have a lot of oil in it. But if you want it to have enough oil in there, you can leave the oil as it is. Okay, so I'm going to pour this in and then stir it from time to time. This should be under medium to low heat because you don't want to burn it. You just want it to be nice and well cooked. You want to continue stirring this from time to time. You realize that all the flavors from when you fry the gizzard will also infuse into it, making it taste much better. I'm stirring this from time to time so that I can get out as much moisture as I can from blending my greens, okay? I'm going to add some seasoning at this point. This is beef seasoning. You can also go in with any seasoning of your choice. So here I added some shrimp seasoning and then I gave it a good mix as well. All right, that's the beauty of cooking. You mix flavors and then you get the exact taste that you want, and it makes you so happy. Then after mixing it for a while, I added some salt to taste. You can also season it with any seasoning of your choice. You can add fish powder, shrimp powder, and you will enjoy it just how you like it. Now after adding my salt, I want to just give it about a minute so that all the seasonings I've added can bind together and combine nicely. Give it a good mix, and then in no time your pepper sauce should be ready. This sauce can go with just anything. It can go with rice, it can go with yam, not just our kebabs. So that's how unique this sauce is. I also had it with rice later on and it was really good. So you want to dish this into a plate to cool down until it gets to room temperature. Alright, so then we'll proceed to the next step in this recipe. I went ahead to chop some vegetables off camera. We have some nicely done onions, carrots, and bell peppers. I also have the sauce that has cooled down to room temperature, and then our nicely fried gizzards. This is where the assembly begins. I also have some kebab sticks that I've washed nicely and I've trimmed them and sharpened the mouth of it. Some of them come pre-made, so you can use the one you like. Now you want to stack the kebab sticks with the gizzards. This is where you can decide on what you want to use. You don't just have to limit yourself to carrots, onions, and bell peppers. You can use any vegetable of your choice, the one that you enjoy, okay? So once you stack them all up, you can just put them at one place and continue until all of them are well done. If you've watched me to this point, I want to tell you I'm so happy. You can also like the video if you haven't already and show your full support, and I'm so glad that you are here. So now that we've stacked all our kebab sticks, this is where the sauce comes in. You know, at a gathering or at a party, someone may not want sauce, someone may want sauce. So the sauce should always be an option, because some people don't like pepper and some decide that they want it just the way it is. So you can just brush it with the sauce like this, put it on the grill for a few seconds, or you can even microwave it for a few seconds, and it is good as ready. And you will have your kebabs ready to serve and enjoy with any beverage of your choice. So now let me know in the comment section what you think about my kebab recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your nice comments. If you haven't liked this video, your good time to like it is now. And if you haven't subscribed yet, sweetie, you can subscribe to my channel. I post simple recipes here and I know you will enjoy it. So this is how the recipe is. I hope it was helpful to you and you would add it to your party recipes. Enjoy cooking, and don't forget, God loves you and has a great plan for your life. Until you see my next video, it's bye bye for now.